We're going to share 10 powerful secrets to help you achieve financial success and get rich sooner. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss these valuable tips. Number 1. Take care of your health. Your health is your most valuable asset when it comes to building wealth. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can reduce medical expenses, increase productivity, and have more energy to pursue wealth-building opportunities. Focus on maintaining a balanced diet, incorporating regular exercise into your routine, and getting enough sleep. Investing in your physical and mental well-being not only improves your quality of life but also positively impacts your financial success. Remember, a healthy body and mind are the foundation upon which you can build a prosperous future. Number 2. Read biographies of successful people. Learning from the experiences of successful individuals can provide valuable insights and inspiration for your own wealth-building journey. Dive into the biographies of entrepreneurs, investors, and visionaries who have achieved financial success. Discover their strategies, mindsets, and how they overcame obstacles on their path to wealth. By studying their stories, you can gain valuable knowledge and apply their principles to your own life. Remember, success leaves clues, and the wisdom gained from these biographies can guide you towards your own financial triumphs. Number 3. Seek professional advice. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions about your money. They can assist in creating a customized financial plan based on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. A financial advisor can provide guidance on investment strategies, tax planning, and wealth preservation. They can help you navigate complex financial situations and stay on track toward your goals. Remember, seeking professional advice is a wise investment in your financial future. Number 4. Continuous learning and improvement. Never stop learning and improving yourself. Attend seminars, workshops, and conferences related to personal finance and entrepreneurship. Take advantage of online resources and platforms that offer educational content on wealth creation. Stay up to date with industry trends and emerging opportunities. Invest time in developing new skills and expanding your knowledge base. By committing to lifelong learning, you position yourself for success in an ever-evolving financial landscape. Remember, knowledge and growth are the keys to unlocking your full potential. Number 5. Embrace minimalism. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle can positively impact your journey towards wealth. By consciously reducing unnecessary expenses and prioritizing what truly adds value to your life, you can save money, reduce clutter, and focus on what matters most. Embrace the philosophy of quality over quantity, making intentional purchases, and eliminating wasteful spending. Shift your focus from material possessions to experiences, relationships, and personal growth. By embracing minimalism, you create space for financial abundance and live a more fulfilling life. Number 6. Think big and take calculated risks. Successful people think big and are willing to take calculated risks. Expand your vision beyond conventional boundaries and dare to dream of achieving extraordinary wealth. Be open to new opportunities, step out of your comfort zone, and embrace calculated risks that align with your goals. Understand that not all risks are created equal, and it's important to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any financial decisions. By thinking big and embracing calculated risks, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities and accelerate your wealth-building journey. Number 7. Teach financial literacy to your children. Instilling financial literacy in your children at an early age sets them up for future success. Teach them about budgeting, saving, and the importance of making wise financial decisions. Encourage entrepreneurship and critical thinking skills. Share age-appropriate books and resources that promote financial education. By equipping your children with essential financial knowledge, you empower them to navigate the financial world confidently and build a solid foundation for their own wealth creation. Number 8. Build a strong personal brand. Investing in building your personal brand can open doors to financial opportunities. Identify your unique skills, passions, or expertise and develop a personal brand around them. Share valuable content, engage with your audience on social media, and showcase your expertise through writing or speaking engagements. A strong personal brand enhances your visibility, credibility, and attracts opportunities for collaboration or business ventures. Remember, your personal brand is an asset that can accelerate your path to financial success. Number 9. Visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your financial goals. Take the time to visualize yourself living the life you desire, having achieved your financial dreams. Create a vision board or write down your goals and display them in a prominent place. Visualize the steps you need to take and the emotions you'll experience as you achieve each milestone. By consistently visualizing your success, you align your subconscious mind with your goals, stay motivated, and attract the opportunities and resources needed to turn your vision into reality. Number 10. Never give up. Building wealth takes time and effort. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but never give up on your dreams. Stay persistent, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity and use it to grow stronger. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed to your financial goals, adapt to changes, and maintain a positive mindset. Believe in your ability to achieve financial success, and with dedication and perseverance, you'll find yourself on the path to a prosperous future. Remember, financial success is within your reach if you are willing to put in the work and follow these proven strategies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep working towards your financial goals. See you soon.